Hello, Health Nuts! Welcome back to another exciting episode where we dive deep into the world of nutrition and healthy living. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most versatile and beloved foods out there: eggs. We all love them: scrambled, sunny side up, poached. They're a breakfast staple that can be enjoyed in so many delicious ways. But what if I told you that you could be making some common mistakes that are sabotaging your health and the nutritional value of your eggs? That's right, even with something as simple as eggs, there are right and wrong ways to prepare and enjoy them. And today we're going to uncover those secrets. From how you store your eggs to the techniques you use to cook them, there are crucial things you need to know to avoid nutrient loss, food poisoning, and other health risks. For instance, did you know that storing eggs in the fridge door can actually make them spoil faster? Or that overcooking your eggs can destroy essential nutrients? So, if you're ready to upgrade your egg game and learn how to maximize the health benefits of this incredible food, stick around. We're going to dive into the top 8 mistakes people make when it comes to eggs and how you can avoid them. We're about to crack the code on the top 8 mistakes to avoid when eating eggs. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just someone who loves a good breakfast, these tips will help you make the most out of your eggs. So grab a pen and paper because you won't want to miss this. Mistake number 1. Not checking the freshness of your eggs. Always do the float test. Place your egg in a bowl of water. If it sinks, it's fresh. If it floats, it's time to toss it. Fresh eggs not only taste better, but are also safer to eat. Mistake number 2. Storing eggs in the fridge door. The constant temperature changes can make them spoil faster. Instead, keep them in the main body of the fridge where the temperature is more stable. Mistake number 3. Overcooking your eggs. High heat can destroy important nutrients like vitamin D and antioxidants. Cook your eggs on medium heat to retain their nutritional value. Mistake number 4. Not using the right cooking method. Different methods can affect the nutrient content and digestibility of eggs. For example, poaching and boiling are healthier options compared to frying. Mistake number 5. Ignoring food safety practices. Always wash your hands and utensils after handling raw eggs to prevent cross-contamination and foodborne illnesses. Mistake number 6. Not considering the source of your eggs. Organic and free-range eggs are often more nutritious and have better animal welfare standards. Mistake number 7. Discarding the yolk. The yolk contains most of the egg's nutrients, including healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. Don't miss out on these benefits by only eating the whites. Mistake number 8. Not experimenting with different recipes. Eggs are incredibly versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes. Get creative and try new recipes to keep your meals exciting and nutritious. Let's face it, nobody likes rubbery, overcooked eggs. But beyond the unappetizing texture, there's a scientific reason to avoid scorching your breakfast. Overcooking eggs, especially the whites, can actually destroy some of their valuable nutrients. Vitamins like riboflavin and B12 are sensitive to heat and can degrade with prolonged cooking. Plus, that rubbery texture, that's a sign that the proteins in the egg have been cooked for too long, making them tougher and harder to digest. Aim for soft, gently cooked yolks and whites that are just set. Your taste buds and your body will thank you. This might seem like a no-brainer, but you'd be surprised how many people don't store their eggs properly. Remember, eggs are perishable and need to be kept cold to prevent the growth of harmful bacteria like Salmonella. Always store your eggs in the coldest part of your refrigerator, ideally in their original carton. This helps to prevent them from absorbing odors from other foods in your fridge. And speaking of the carton, don't even think about washing your eggs before storing them. Eggshells are actually porous, and washing them can remove their protective coating, making them more susceptible to bacteria. I know, Rocky Balboa made it look tempting, but downing raw eggs is a gamble you don't want to take. Raw eggs can contain Salmonella, a type of bacteria that can cause food poisoning. Symptoms include fever, diarrhea, abdominal cramps, not exactly the breakfast of champions. While the risk of Salmonella contamination is lower in some countries due to strict food safety regulations, it's always better to err on the side of caution. Cooking eggs thoroughly kills Salmonella and other harmful bacteria, making them safe to eat. While eggs are a nutritional powerhouse, they're also one of the most common food allergens, especially among children. Egg allergies occur when the body's immune system overreacts to proteins found in egg whites or yolks. This can trigger a range of symptoms, from mild hives and skin rashes to severe, life-threatening anaphylaxis. If you experience any unusual symptoms after eating eggs, such as itching, swelling, difficulty breathing, or dizziness, seek medical attention immediately. It's crucial to be aware of egg allergies, especially if you're cooking for others. Always read food labels carefully and ask about ingredients to avoid cross-contamination. For years, egg yolks were demonized for their cholesterol content. But guess what? Dietary cholesterol isn't the villain it was made out to be. In fact, egg yolks are packed with essential nutrients, including choline, lutein, and zeaxanthin. Choline is crucial for brain health, while lutein and zeaxanthin support eye health. So next time you make an omelet, embrace the whole egg. The yolk adds richness, flavor, and a nutritional punch that you don't want to miss. We've all been there. You open the fridge, grab an egg, and wonder, how old is this thing anyway? It's a common dilemma, especially if you can't remember when you bought them. Don't worry, there are simple ways to check for freshness. These methods are quick, easy, and can save you from potential foodborne illnesses. First, the float test. Gently drop an egg into a bowl of cold water. This is one of the most reliable methods. If it sinks to the bottom and lies flat, it's fresh. Fresh eggs have a higher density, which makes them sink. If it stands up or floats, it's older and you might want to toss it. Older eggs have larger air cells, causing them to float. Another trick is to check the yolk. This method is great if you're already planning to use the egg. A fresh egg will have a bright yellow, plump yolk. The yolk should be firm and round, indicating its freshness. As the egg ages, the yolk will flatten and become paler. The egg white will also become more runny. Remember, using old eggs can increase the risk of foodborne illness, such as Salmonella. It's always better to be safe than sorry. So when in doubt, throw it out. Keeping your kitchen safe and your meals delicious starts with knowing the freshness of your eggs. A good practice is to write the date of purchase on the egg carton. This way, you always know how old your eggs are. Store your eggs in the coldest part of the fridge, not the door, to keep them fresh longer. Proper storage can extend their shelf life. Fresh eggs not only taste better but also make your dishes look more appealing. So take a moment to check your eggs before cooking. Enjoy your meals with the confidence that comes from knowing your ingredients are fresh and safe. Happy cooking! This one seems obvious, but you'd be surprised how many people forget this basic hygiene rule. Eggshells can carry bacteria, and you don't want to transfer those germs to your food or your mouth. Always wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water before and after handling eggs. This simple step can significantly reduce the risk of cross-contamination and food poisoning. And don't forget to wash any utensils, cutting boards, or surfaces that have come into contact with raw eggs. Hot, soapy water is your best bet for eliminating bacteria. We get it, you're hungry and you want your eggs cooked fast. But blasting them with high heat is a recipe for disaster. Cooking eggs at high temperatures can cause the formation of harmful compounds, such as acrylamide. Plus, it can make the proteins tougher and harder to digest. Instead, opt for low to medium heat and cook your eggs slowly and gently. This will help them retain their nutrients, maintain a tender texture, and prevent the formation of unwanted compounds. So there you have it. The top 8 mistakes to avoid when eating eggs. Eggs are a staple in many diets around the world, and for good reason. They are incredibly versatile and can be prepared in countless ways, from simple scrambled eggs to elaborate quiches and soufflés. But to truly unlock their potential, it's important to avoid common pitfalls that can diminish their nutritional value or even make them unsafe to eat. By following these simple tips, you can enjoy this versatile food safely and reap all its incredible health benefits. Whether you're having eggs for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, there are endless possibilities to explore. You can pair them with vegetables for a nutrient-packed meal, or add them to salads and sandwiches for an extra boost of protein. The key is to be mindful of how you prepare and consume them. Remember, eggs are a nutritional powerhouse, packed with protein, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They contain essential nutrients like vitamin B12, riboflavin, and selenium, which are crucial for maintaining good health. Additionally, eggs are one of the best sources of choline, a nutrient that supports brain health and development. Including eggs in your diet can help you meet your nutritional needs and support your overall well-being. They're a delicious and affordable way to fuel your body and support your overall well-being. Eggs are not only nutritious but also budget-friendly, making them accessible to everyone. You can find them in almost any grocery store, and they have a long shelf life, which means you can always have them on hand for a quick and easy meal. Plus, their versatility means you can get creative in the kitchen and try new recipes without breaking the bank. Thank you for joining me on this journey. I hope you found these tips helpful and that they inspire you to make the most of this incredible food. Whether you're a seasoned cook or just starting out, there's always something new to learn about eggs and how to incorporate them into your diet. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment below, and hit the bell for more health and wellness inspiration. Your support helps us create more content that can guide you on your journey to a healthier lifestyle. We love hearing from you, so feel free to share your favorite egg recipes or any tips you have for cooking with eggs. Until next time, stay healthy and happy. Remember, the journey to wellness is a continuous one, and every small step counts. Keep exploring new ways to nourish your body and mind, and don't forget to enjoy the process. Eggs are just one of many tools you can use to support your health, so keep experimenting and finding what works best for you.